How to watch Hulu on PS4. Step number 1, set up your PS4. Ensure your PlayStation 4 is connected to your TV and powered on. Make sure your PS4 is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step number 2, open the PlayStation Store. On the PS4 home screen, navigate to the PlayStation Store using the controller. Step number 3, search for Hulu. In the PlayStation Store, use the search bar to type in Hulu. Select the Hulu app from the search results. Step number 4, install the Hulu app. Click on the download button and install the Hulu app on your PS4. Wait for the installation to complete. Step number 5, launch the Hulu app. Once installed, return to your PS4 home screen and scroll to the Hulu app icon. Select the Hulu app to open it. Step number 6, log in to your Hulu account. If you already have a Hulu account, log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for a subscription directly through the app. Step number 7, start watching. Browse Hulu's content library and select a show or movie to start streaming on your PS4.